Okay, man, look how foggy it is on the river today. Let me see if I can get down here without breaking my neck. Alright, I got my silo with me, but I left Queenie at home. Whew! It's very misty today. I'm hoping it doesn't actually rain. I did bring an umbrella for me, but I need to get a little raincoat for Miss Silo. Sometimes I think she still goes out there looking for her little muskrat friend that she met over the summer. Alright. Well, we're going to head back up to the trail. Looks like the beaver are really doing a job on some of these trees by this little pond. There's a little pond here. Oh, there's another one that they've gotten down. Okay. And the river's over that way. And I hope I'm not panning too quickly for you, because I don't want to make y'all sick. They got that one down, but then it tangled up in some of the brush there and they couldn't get it to the water. They got two down there and they're working on a third. So those skinny ones are probably easy for them to do. But this one took days. And then they've got another one up there that they've done, and several small ones. Looks like they take the bark off of them. I wonder if they eat the bark. I don't know. I'll have to look that up on Google. See, they've taken down quite a few here. And then these are the holes that's the reason why they've got this orange fencing around here. Come on, baby, let's step over this. Oh, man. And they got that one, but it got tangled up. Here's some big holes. So it looked like that one's gotten bigger, I think. But I think those are groundhogs. In fact, I saw a groundhog here one day. And it looks like at one point, the Army Corps of Engineers tried to put some cement down here, some concrete to stop this. But they just kept on digging, making their burrows. So they just gave up and put up this fencing. And they ended it here, but actually there's two more big holes past here. Silo's looking at that one. And this one's been here for a while. Somebody stuck a stick in it, I guess as a warning. Oh, man. Okay. Do some more walking. Oh yeah, like I said, one day I saw what I thought was a groundhog here, and then one day last week I saw the prettiest little red fox. It was running through the woods away from us, but I'll insert a picture of what it looked like. It was beautiful, and I'd never seen one before. They're usually nocturnal, but every once in a while they come out in the daylight to hunt. Alright, I see y'all. And this is another one of the little pond areas. This is probably the biggest one. And I just chased off a bunch of ducks. Sorry. But I don't know what the Army Corps of Engineers has going on out here, but some of this they've got fenced off. I have no idea what they got out there. But on the island, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little pond areas. One of them I call the turtle pond because it's usually loaded up with turtles, big turtles, little turtles, all kinds of turtles. So I was just, this is the area where I saw the little red fox last week. But when I was looking over here, I just happened to see this ball. Let me pick it up. Okay. I got it. Just want to make sure that it's not going to explode. Okay. We found Silo a ball. Cool. And anyway, I made mention of the pond that I call the turtle pond, and this is it. I'm gonna have to say vlog over for this episode. Yes, vlog over. Oh, she knows that tennis ball's in my pocket and she's wanting it. I just don't want to give it to her yet. I'd like to take it home and wash it. Yeah, bursitis. When I was about 12 or 13, my stepdad had bursitis. And, you know, being a young kid, you don't really understand how painful it is. Whoa, she's going to get me. She's going to get me. So, I better let y'all go. Get to walking back to... Oh, she knows that ball's in my pocket. No, don't do that. Don't do that. No, be a good girl. I'll give it to you later. Okay, guys, peace and love. And I'm out of here. Look at all of them. Wow. Wow. And over there is a whole bunch of trumpeter swans. Awesome. Awesome.